presenting the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 5 SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished alum, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, forged perforated leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, adaptive ride control suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment system with navigation. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.